Hello, and welcome to the Better Homes and Gardens Landscaping and Deck Designer Overview video. In this overview video, I'll design a landscape and deck so you can become familiar with the program and get started on your own designs. To make the software even easier to use, we integrated the online help system and training videos with the program. We also offer technical support by phone and internet. For information about additional help resources, please visit our website. When the program begins, the Startup Options dialog opens. Here you can access helpful resources such as tutorials on common projects and design resources for planning, inspiration, templates, additional program content, and more. Let's get started by choosing a new plan, then a landscaping template to begin the project. You'll find templates for landscaping, patios, pools, and decks. If you see one similar to your project, templates can be a quick and easy way to get started. In this case, I'll select the default template to start with a flat lot. For landscaping projects, you may want to have your home in the design which you can draw in the software, or you can import a photo of your home. In this example, we'll quickly draw the outline or footprint of our home. Select the Wall tool, click and drag to draw a wall, and then release the mouse. When you have finished outlining the shape of the walls, choose the Dimension tool, then click on Automatic Dimensions. To move the walls to your desired dimensions, click on a wall and simply drag it to where you want it. To take a 3D view, go to the Camera tools and select the Overview Camera tool. I'll adjust our perspective so we can take a closer view. We see that Landscaping and Deck Designer has automatically put a roof over our model, which we can customize if it isn't already what we want. In 3D views, I can continue to design placing doors, windows, and other objects. To place a window, simply choose the Window tool and click on a wall to place it. Now that we have the house, we can begin our landscaping project. In our plan view, you will notice that we have our terrain perimeter, as indicated by the green line. A terrain perimeter defines the shape of the lot and can be easily edited. Just click on the edge to change the shape and size. Once you have the shape of your terrain perimeter, you can add elevation data to create sloping lots with character and depth. To create a simple sloped lot, I'll click the Terrain menu, go to Elevation Data, and select the Elevation Line tool. With this tool, you can draw a line and add elevation data. We'll begin the sloped lot by adding a line at the back of the terrain perimeter and setting it to -20 feet. Then I'll add a few more elevation points. The program took the information provided by the elevation lines and generated contour lines in Floor Plan View. If you have a GPS or no particular elevations for your lot, you can enter that data, or import it from a GPS to model your lot in detail. You can create terrain features in your lot by using the Terrain Feature tools. Similar to the elevation tools, you can place hills, valleys, roads, sidewalks, garden beds, pathways, pools, ponds, and more. Once you have the shape and site plan completed, you can continue to add landscaping features. To make it easy, you can choose pre-arranged landscaping beds in the library that you can place into the design. You can also create your own plant bed and add individual plants by using the Plant Chooser. The Plant Chooser is a great tool to help you find and learn about the right plants for your landscaping project. In the Plant Chooser, if you search without entering any search criteria, every plant in the library will be listed in the search results. There are several attributes you can search by to find your ideal plant. You may find this helpful to narrow your plant selections. For now, I'll search for a plant by name by entering Iris. The search results will display on the right side, which you can display by common or scientific name. After we place some of the flowers, you can open the plant information where you can learn size, sun requirements, and hardiness zone. With the hardiness zone maps, you can easily locate the area in which you live and determine if this type of plant is appropriate for your climate region. Most of the plants have maturity information. You can use this information to visualize growth of your plants. If you begin with young trees and shrubs, you can define the age of the plants and then use the Grow Plants tools and adjust the maturity. You may find this helpful to see how the plants will look as they mature. Now that our site plan and landscaping are completed, we'll add a deck. We'll use our Deck Railing tool to draw the shape of the deck. Once an area is enclosed, you'll notice that a label is created automatically and you see what it looks like in 3D. While in 3D, you can continue designing. We'll use the Material Painter to change the color and texture of the deck. Just select the color and texture you desire and click on that object to change it. It's that simple. You will find thousands of colors and materials to choose from. If you open the deck room, you can see there are several options you can set for the deck or patio, including structural details and deck planking materials. The program's integrated landscaping and deck tools can help you put the finishing touches on your design and help you visualize your new project. You've seen just a fraction of the capabilities of Landscaping and Deck Designer. Don't forget to review the other tutorial training videos included with the product, the resources in the Startup Options dialog, the online help system, our website, homedesignersoftware.com, and our user forum, Home Talk, to help with your design projects. We hope you enjoy creating and designing your outdoor living space.